Okay, folks, let's see how this goes. Where is sine negative and cos negative? Okay, let's have a look. Sine is negative there and there. Where's cos negative? There and there. So where would both apply? It's in quadrant 3, where both sine and cos are negative. You can see that. So this is quadrant 3 here. You'd be in quad 3 there. And what about this one? Where's sine positive and tan negative? Where would sine be positive? I'm just going to get a different color. Where's sine positive and tan negative? There and there. So where would both hold? Where sine is positive, tan is negative is in quadrant 2. Sine is positive and tan is negative in quadrant 2. Okay, now guys, in the next lesson we're going to revise this. I'm going to show you a way to remember all these things. So don't go away. Stay with us. We're going to develop this in the next lesson.